we want to create an experience for you that you can do at home, that you can do wherever you are, with however much time you have.
The idea was to put these classes together so you could get a deeper understanding of your own body.
This is a great way to introduce yourself to a new way of moving.
You're tackling a large range of motions from different sports.
There's so many possibilities for ways to move. I love it all.
What we do on the mat is practice for the hard things in our day-to-day life.
Let the practice meet you where you're at, so come as you are.
It's okay if you feel that the moves make you look a little silly. It's all a part of the process.
No matter what level you are or what chapter in your life, these are the classes for you.
Take that leap of faith. You can do this.
This isn't going to be easy, but it's going to be great. Let's get it.